Okay, what I'm going to show you is how you can create your own little bookmarks for QR codes, just like Esther Polindo has gotten from Teachers Pay Teachers. So you might as well create your own for your own library. So this is how you're going to do it. I have created this template in Publisher, and it has placeholders right here for your book covers and then your QR codes here. So your first step is to go out and find your book. So let's go. I'm going to do the Poet X. So I found the book cover from Library Thing. So I'm just going to right click, save image as, and then I'm going to put this. I'll just give it a title, Poet X. I'm just going to keep this on my desktop so I can find it again later. Okay, the next thing is you're going to find your video. So if you go to YouTube, you can search for YouTube, but the thing about YouTube is sometimes it's going to come with commercials. So when you find your video on YouTube, you can copy that link to it, and then if you want to get rid of the commercials, you can go to Safe Share TV and create it where it's going to take out those commercials. The key on all of this is you want to keep something relatively short. I would keep it, under a minute, minute and a half at the most, but kids don't want to watch something too long. So I've already done this in Safe Share, so I'm going to go ahead and take that link, and you're going to have to go to a QR code generator site, and I like QR stuff. Let me delete this one, paste that link right there. It's going to update the code. Download your QR code. Make sure you go ahead and change that name, Poet X Code. And I'm going to go ahead and put again that on the desktop so I can find it again later. Now you just go back to your publisher and you'll just click on the little picture icon, and you're going to insert a picture from a file. So let's go to my desktop, and here's that cover. You're just going to click insert. Okay, you can adjust a little bit as needed if you want to move that up or down as you like. And then I'm going to click on this one for the QR code from a file, and there's the code. Okay, and there you have your own set of bookmarks. So you can continue that and make 4 on a page at a time, print them out, print them on cardstock, or maybe laminate them. But this is a template that you can use to create your own bookmark QR codes.